What if I told you aging is not simply the passing of time, but the gradual forgetting of how to repair? Not weakness, not destiny, but lost instructions inside your cells. You were never designed to slowly fade. You were designed to adapt, to rebuild, to survive. And even now, after 50, after 60, your body still remembers how to renew itself. Those lines on your skin are not the problem. The real story is unfolding far deeper, inside trillions of cells quietly deciding whether to repair or decline. Aging begins invisibly, long before symptoms appear, long before diagnosis. It begins when the body's repair systems grow silent from lack of activation. Inside every cell lies DNA, the blueprint of you. Over time, that blueprint becomes scratched, bent, and stressed. Not destroyed, but distorted. The body loses clarity in its instructions. Energy production weakens, inflammation rises, and slowly the machine begins to operate less efficiently. That is aging, not a clock ticking, but information fading. Modern life has changed the signals your body receives. Constant light, constant food, constant comfort. The systems that once protected you now sit idle. Your cells were built to respond to challenge, not endless ease. Without stress, they grow fragile. When you eat from morning until midnight, insulin never truly rests. And when insulin stays high, your body remains in growth mode, not repair mode. The ancient cleanup systems never switch on. The debris inside cells slowly accumulates, not dramatically, but steadily. Damaged proteins, broken mitochondria, cellular waste. Imagine a house that is never cleaned. At first you don't notice. Then movement becomes harder, air becomes heavier, function declines. Your cells experience the same fate when cleanup is ignored. But hidden inside you is a system designed for renewal, a process called autophagy, meaning self-cleaning. When activated, your cells begin removing the old, recycling the broken, rebuilding the essential. It is not destruction, it is restoration. The remarkable truth is this: your body does not stop repairing because of age. It stops repairing because the signal disappears. And signals come from your choices, from movement, from timing, from discipline. After 50, after 60, it is not too late. In fact, your biology is waiting for challenge, waiting for activation, waiting for you to remind it that survival still matters. Aging is not the enemy. Neglect is. And the moment you begin sending the right signals, something extraordinary happens. Your cells remember. Your energy shifts. Your resilience awakens. The repair system turns back on. Deep inside your cells, tiny structures called mitochondria generate the energy that powers your heart, your brain, and your muscles. When they function well, you feel vitality. When they decline, fatigue creeps in quietly. Aging is often the story of weakening mitochondria, not because they are meant to fail, but because they are no longer being challenged to grow stronger. Autophagy identifies damaged mitochondria and removes them before they poison the cell with excess inflammation and oxidative stress. It is precision maintenance. Without it, broken components accumulate and energy production becomes inefficient. With it, your cells stay lean, efficient, and resilient, even decades into life. When your breathing deepens during a brisk walk, your muscles demand more energy. That demand signals adaptation. New mitochondria are formed. Old ones are recycled. Exercise is not about burning calories. It is about sending a message to your genome. Upgrade this system. Along your DNA, guardian proteins work tirelessly to repair damage. Among them are sirtuins, longevity regulators that stabilize genetic information and reduce inflammation. But these guardians require fuel. A molecule called NAD+ powers their activity. As NAD+ declines with age, repair slows. The system becomes quieter. NAD+ is not a supplement trend. It is a fundamental molecule present in every living cell. It supports DNA repair, mitochondrial function, and metabolic balance. When levels are strong, cellular defense systems activate efficiently. When levels fall, vulnerability rises. One of the most powerful ways to increase NAD+ naturally is surprisingly simple. Allow periods without food. When you stop constantly feeding the body, insulin drops. Energy sensors activate. Repair pathways awaken. Fasting is not starvation. It is strategic silence that allows restoration to begin. When nutrients are abundant, a pathway called mTOR signals growth. Growth is necessary, but constant growth without repair accelerates aging. During fasting or exercise, mTOR quiets and AMPK rises. The cell shifts from expansion to maintenance, from building to cleaning. Even brief cold exposure triggers powerful adaptation. Blood vessels constrict and expand. Brown fat activates. Metabolic efficiency improves. Controlled stress strengthens cardiovascular resilience. Your body does not weaken under challenge. It recalibrates. Heat stress works similarly. Sauna exposure increases heat shock proteins, molecules that protect other proteins from misfolding and damage. Regular heat exposure has been associated with improved cardiovascular health and reduced mortality risk. The body thrives when gently pushed beyond comfort. Challenge followed by recovery. Stress followed by repair. Growth followed by renewal. This rhythm is the foundation of longevity. When you restore this natural cycle, aging slows its pace. Not because time stops, but because your cells begin remembering how to defend themselves again. During deep sleep, your body enters its most powerful repair phase. Growth hormone rises. Cellular cleanup intensifies. The brain flushes metabolic waste through the lymphatic system. DNA repair accelerates. Sleep is not passive rest, it is active restoration. When sleep is short, fragmented, or disrupted by artificial light, autophagy weakens. And without consistent repair, aging accelerates silently. Morning light is one of the strongest signals your biology understands. When sunlight hits your eyes early in the day, it anchors your circadian rhythm. Cortisol rises naturally. Metabolism aligns. Hormones synchronize. This simple act strengthens sleep at night and supports metabolic stability. Light is not just illumination. It is biological instruction. After 60, muscle becomes medicine. Resistance training stimulates protein synthesis, strengthens bones, improves insulin sensitivity, and activates longevity pathways. Muscle tissue acts as metabolic armor. Without it, frailty advances. With it, independence remains. Lifting something challenging tells your body you still require strength, and it responds accordingly. When muscle fibers experience controlled stress, tiny microtears form. The body repairs them with greater density and resilience. Satellite cells activate. Mitochondria multiply. Inflammation resolves. This process is adaptation. Without stimulus, muscle declines. With stimulus, the aging process slows at the cellular level. Food is information. High-quality protein preserves muscle. Fiber supports metabolic health. Micronutrients assist cellular repair. But timing matters as much as content. Allowing periods between meals gives your body permission to clean and recalibrate. Constant grazing keeps repair systems dormant. Strategic nourishment sustains renewal. Autophagy is the quiet hero of longevity. It dismantles damaged proteins, recycles dysfunctional mitochondria, and clears inflammatory debris. It reduces the cellular clutter associated with neurodegeneration, cardiovascular decline, and metabolic disease. When activated consistently, it preserves clarity, strength, and resilience. You are not fighting time. You are influencing biology. Aging becomes slower when signals are aligned: movement, light, sleep, recovery, and strategic stress. These are not trends. They are evolutionary codes embedded within your cells. When activated, they defend you. After 50, after 60, the narrative must change. You are not fragile. You are adaptable. The body does not retire from repair unless you stop demanding it. Strength is not lost in a single moment. It fades when unused, but it returns when called upon. Even your genetic expression responds to lifestyle. Epigenetic markers shift based on stress, nutrition, sleep, and movement. Biological age can diverge from chronological age. Research shows lifestyle interventions influence these patterns. Your future health is not entirely written. It is partially editable. Controlled discomfort strengthens resilience. Cold exposure improves metabolic flexibility. Heat enhances protein stability. Exercise builds cellular defense. Fasting initiates renewal. These are deliberate challenges that awaken dormant repair systems. Comfort alone never activates longevity. Protect your darkness. Artificial light late at night suppresses melatonin, disrupts sleep architecture, and weakens cellular repair. A dark, cool room strengthens recovery. What you remove can be as powerful as what you add. Longevity is not an obsession. It is rhythm. Wake with light. Move daily. Challenge your muscles. Allow hunger occasionally. Sleep deeply. Recover intentionally. Small, consistent signals accumulate over years. Biology responds to repetition. Inside you, trillions of cells are listening. When you choose discipline, they activate defense. When you choose movement, they generate energy. When you choose recovery, they rebuild. Aging slows not dramatically, but measurably. The goal is not immortality. It is vitality. It is walking independently, thinking clearly, living without preventable disease for as long as possible. Aging with strength is not accidental. It is intentional. Time will continue forward. That is certain. But how powerfully you move with it, that remains negotiable. Your cells still know how to repair. Your biology still knows how to adapt. Autophagy is not just science. It is proof that renewal is possible, even now. The signal begins with you.